Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to update Facebook in your iPhone. Okay, if you want to update your Facebook, you need touch in the app store, touch here, and can you write in this corner on the first option, can you write Facebook? Okay, touch here, put Facebook, write Facebook. Now, wait, now the first option is Facebook. Touch here and can you see that update? Touch here and wait the update your app, and this is all. Okay, okay, sorry, my cell phone now is old, but is very sad, and I need new iPhone. Okay, in my cell phone I cannot use this the update, but in your cell phone you can use your update. And this is all for this video. If you want to say me anything, can you guys in the comments? Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day, see you later.